Hello everyone, just doing a quick follow-up video on 4 charms that I bought back in September of 2019. Someone's commented on that video around 30 minutes ago and asked me if there was any rust or anything like that on the charms. And as you can see, we have the tail, we have this unicorn thing, the F and the burr. They were the charms that I had in the video. I'll just pick it up, and as you can see, there's no rust at all. No rust at all on them. Now these haven't been getting cleaned regular, but my daughter does get in and out of the bath with this bracelet on quite often. And as you can see, there's no damage, no rust, no nothing. So yeah, I just wanted to do that quick follow-up video for the person that asked. There'll be links in the description to these if you want to take a look. Thanks for watching. Bye.